Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's Marcelo and Jen with Coffee Sometimes Tea, and we're going to jump right into our introduction to ChatGPT.
All right. Well, take it away.
All right, so we're going to get ready to embark in a journey of inspiration and motivation through the power of ChatGPT. We're going to discover how innovative tools can elevate your mindset and drive towards success.
So it doesn't matter how you feel, what you want to do, just like the picture says, no matter how you feel, get up, get dressed, and
And
get on moving.
just don't give up.
Yeah, never give up. Always be more moving forward. And with ChatGPT, we hope to get you some. Um,
Motivation and inspiration. So, the benefits of using ChatGPT for motivation. Okay.
uh, okay, so a lot of people think, what's ChatGPT? Just plug in some things, and we'll be talking about this in a lot of videos, and you'll probably hear us saying it a lot. But it does come down to your prompts, and how you and how you put your information in or your questions in. And one thing you can do in your prompt creating, you can get personalized encouragement. You ask ChatGPT, act as an expert in motivation and inspiration. And then you're going to get tailored messages back, and guidance, to help you in whatever your passion or drive may be.
Yep.
It's also going to give you some empowering affirmations, experience, strength and uplifting positive affirmations generated by ChatGPT. You can even take that first part and say, please act as a an empowerment coach, motivator, and give me some uh, uplifting and positive affirmations. Please, and search the web. Please list the top 10, and it'll give you a list. And then it's an endless source of inspiration, because you are in control of your prompting. You are in control of your questions. You don't like the answer? Ask a different question.
Right. Or
You,
rephrase it a different way.
exactly. So if you're not happy, change the way you ask the question.
Okay.
And page down isn't working. So
Scroll up. Huh? There you go. So, setting you want to do is setting goals and tracking progress, guys. So, you want to sit down and set some goals, and then track your progress. You can have ChatGPT do all that for you. Clarity and objectives. Okay, so define clear, achievable goals when prompting ChatGPT to help set yourself on the path to success. Try asking, follow-up questions in list form. So you want to, define, clear, just every morning when you wake up, have the bot do a quick little inspirational quote for you. Search the web every morning for inspirational quote. Like Jen was saying in the previous slide, act as a coach, act as a motivational coach, act as a teacher, act as
and please
and
provide
please,
me
yeah,
an answer. Like, you're asking it to do something, you want it to act as, and then you need it to follow through on that action. And if you don't like the response, follow it up,
with another question,
with
meaning,
another.
yeah,
Please, and always say please and thank you.
correct.
Thank you. Please rewrite the list, or please expand, or please find more motivational quotes. And then you can actually ask for it to search the web for your favorite motivational speakers. Please act as, um, uh, what's his name?
I
I
don't know
can't
if we
remember.
can say their names.
You can. Why not?
Oh, okay.
Why not? What's his name?
Well, you've
What's
got Grant Cardone, you've got
No, the Robbins, Tony Robbins.
Tony Robbins.
Yeah,
Yeah, Grant Cardone does
act
it.
as Tony Robbins and give me some inspirational and motivational quotes to get me through my day. And it's gonna list it and tell it to list it. List it. List me the top 10, or list me the top 10 trending motivational quotes, and it's going to list it for you. You go over to the chat GPT, I think it's AI or IO, something like that.
Uh-huh.
Anyways, just Google it. If you don't already know where it is, just
Yeah.
Google ChatGPT
And
4.0, by the way, is a paid subscription, but you're going to find you're going to get a lot of really good resources there. And you can even ask for it to create images to go along with those motivational quotes.
Right.
So you can create your own little pictures or slides. You can put them on your screen of your phone and get you through the day. And then adapt. So you're going to adapt through, have it adapt to the goals and things that you're wanting to do, which is what we're talking about
Just
in the
like your
fall.
daily routine. If you guys are motivated to go work out, adapt it to a workout. Adapt it to, serenity. Adapt it to, your love life. Whatever you guys want to do. That's how you're adapting.